Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your domain email address in Gmail in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and open Gmail. Once Gmail opens, look at the top right corner and click on the Settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will appear. From there, click on See All Settings. Now you'll be taken to the full Gmail settings page. At the top, click on the Accounts and Import tab. Here, you'll find different account and email management options. Look for the option to Add another email address and click on it. A new window will appear. Enter the email address associated with your domain and continue. Follow the instructions and click Send to send the verification request. Gmail will then verify the email address. Once the verification is completed successfully, your domain email account will be added to Gmail. After that, you can manage your domain email directly from your Gmail account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Gmail tips, Google tutorials, and useful technology guides.